The key to being a successful team is taking it one day, one game, and one sack at a time. The Georgia-Florida game is over, and it's time to move on. Georgia still has 2 SEC opponents to face, and there's no room for lack of intensity or preparation.
Oh, I know I already put it, this past week behind me. Florida's over with. I mean, it's in the past. We say you have, 24 hours to grieve or 24 hours to celebrate, and we've had that time to enjoy the victory. And, like I said, we put it behind us. We know what needs to be done these next, few weeks to finish the season off strong.
Finishing the season strong entails completing the goals that Georgia puts in front of them.
We've got bigger plans ahead, and that's to try to get back to Atlanta and do better than we did a year ago.
The only way to do that is to stay focused on the task at hand, and the team seems to be focused.
Ole Miss is a very talented team. 5-3. You watch film of them defensively, very aggressive defense, great, very, very good defense. I mean, I watched all their games. I was very impressed by them. So we know we have our work out for us offensively.